Hi, welcome back and happy Halloween. I've got a quick update video for you today. Last year I made this packing tape ghost and a lot of you left awesome comments with some great suggestions on how I could improve it. And so this year I decided to go ahead and follow some of those suggestions and make it a little bit better. The main problems with the packing tape ghost were I painted the PVC black, so it really stands out against the clear packing tape. The other problem was the way that she's lit. I do have a light shining on her, but it's not very impressive. And so a lot of people suggested putting lights inside of her. So that's what we're gonna do. To get started, the first thing I need to do is cut her open. I'm gonna cut her down the back seam and open a hole just big enough that I can take out the PVC frame that's inside. And now what I'm going to use is this aluminum tape. You can get this at most hardware stores. But basically this is going to put a mirror surface on the pipes. So instead of being a color, it's going to be just reflecting the surface of the packing tape. And I think that's going to go a long way to hide it. Some of the suggestions that you all had were things like paint the PVC with camouflage paint, or see if I could find clear PVC, or even just paint it white. All of these are great ideas. Once I've covered all of the frame pipes with the aluminum tape, now I just put it back in through the back hole, and now it's time to add the lights to it. And I found these fairy lights on Amazon. They do all different colors, but the only color I care about is blue. And so I'm just gonna thread those through. I'm gonna mount a power strip on the support pole that's holding her up so that I can plug in directly to it. To mount the power strip, I'm gonna use some hot glue and some zip ties. And now I've got everything together. Let's go put her up outside and see the difference. Here you can see the before and after. I think adding the foil to the pipe really makes it hard to see, and so it's a great way to disguise it, both up close and from a distance. Now let's take a look at the lights. Here's what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. So once again, thanks a lot for all of your suggestions in the comments. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can catch more videos like this as I make projects in the future. Also, please be sure to leave a thumbs up if you like this video so that YouTube will know that I make videos other people may want to watch. I hope you have a happy Halloween, and until next time, don't be bored, be creative.